Yeah, alright guys, so some of you may remember I did a video about a year ago about the hole I had in the ceiling, which was right about in this area here. This is the flat roof that faces southwest. Basically what happened was the roof was redone in '07 and they did hot tar, the hot tar mop, instead of torching it down, and we had a leak, a significant leak here at a little, small drip here. What happened was that water went all the way down the wall, right in this area here. If you look, you can see the stains all the way across. So at the time I went ahead and just went full gorilla with a drywall saw and just had it dripping into a bucket, down below, and get to it. I had the roofer come out. He fixed it up top, good to go. Found a couple more spots that were actually separating. We fixed those. So all good to go. Now I got to close it in. I just started squaring up the edges. This guy here, I got to do a little more here. This one's not too bad. What I'm going to do is probably get a small piece of plywood right here, probably about 5 inches long and 5 inches wide, about a foot or so long, and just kind of, put it in this way and just screw it down and have the mud sit on top of that. It's not that big a deal. But yeah, 5/8 rock. I hate it. I don't like drywall. I mean, 1/2 inch is okay. I can deal with it, but I hate 5/8. This stuff is, it's kind of heavy. I know, Steve, your beekeeper, you're laughing right now. So, but yeah, this is next on the list of stuff to do, just to close this thing up. I do have some insulation. It's some Roxel insulation. Some I think it was R30. And these are. This is actually kind of strange. This is a 2x10 with a 2x8 sistered up on it. I don't know why they did that. But it looks to be original to the house. So I didn't do it, and I've been here a long time, so I haven't had this garage apart. But anyway, so I'll shove that insulation in there and pull this cable down here and put that rock up and be done with it. But that's it, guys. That'll close this up. I had a few questions about the LG panels and what's going on. How is the FlexMax 60, handling that high voltage? So I think I'll do a separate video on that to show you guys. But that's it for now. Have a good one.